fishing line size 0.6. Using the colors black and white, I'll pick 6 of the white beads. One, two, three, four, five, 6. I use the last one to do my cross threading. This time around I'm picking 5. All the 5 goes into the left thread. Then I'll use the last bead, which is the 5th one, to do the cross threading using the right thread. This is what I have. This thread goes into this. The right bead goes into there. I pick 4. The 4, 2 on my left, 2 on my right. I pick my chain. To make it safe, I want to make my knots. Then I'll hide it, make it invisible. I'm using black beads to fill the holes. So I'll go ahead, pick my single bead. The thread, you see this one is coming from this direction, so this one goes from this direction. We pick our bead. This one is inward direction, so it goes in this direction. And this one goes into this, through this. Pick your bead. It's out direction, so it comes in the opposite direction. We are securing our fishing line, so it goes all around. If you are joining us for the first time, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell to get first-hand notifications on future updates. If you are a regular too but haven't subscribed yet, please kindly subscribe and share the video. Don't forget to like the video and share. Let me know your concerns and views in the comment section, or you can join my WhatsApp group by clicking on its link in the description box. This is a shame. Please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel.